Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just unboxed this huge pallet of general merchandise. Now I'm going to go through all of the numbers and let you know what I expect to make, and I'm very conservative on my numbers. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so I've just unboxed everything. I wanted to say thank you to those of you who are supporting me on my Patreon page. There's a link down in the description below. If you love my content, go ahead and sign up to support me. You get exclusive behind the scenes info and extra stuff just for it. Check it out. All right, so this pallet was a bulk.com pallet. I paid about $7.27 per item. It's a home improvement, general merchandise, furniture, and decor. If you haven't seen the complete unboxing, go ahead and check the previous video. It should be tagged at the end of this video as well. Uninspected returns was the condition. It had 82 items in it. I paid $379. $200 in shipping, $17.37 for a total of $596.37. And that's where I got the $727. I usually take into consideration all my shipping and taxes. So what I think I can make from this video, you were doing a video. What I think I can make from this pallet is $2,137 total. I take away my $596.37 for a total profit of $1,540.63 after I went through all the details. But there were a few things in my last video I told you I'd give you specific numbers on because I got a lot from it. Most of these items I found on Amazon. I should be able to list them very quickly, and I'm going to be very careful with box condition. But I had 8 of these, and so I wanted to tell you guys specifically, these are changeable trim rings that were bronze in color, and I can make $7.50, and this is after fees and after shipping it into Amazon. So $7.50 will come back to me. So as you can see, $7.27 per item, but that's just the average per item. This is one of the smaller items in the box, but let me give you some other fun items that we have. So then I had these. I had, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I had 6, 7, 8 of these. I had 8 of these. These I can make $25, and that's after fees, after shipping it into Amazon. So 25 bucks will come back to me. So obviously that's well above the $7.27. So 8 times 25, there's 200 bucks right there that I'm making back. And remember, I only paid $596 on it. So I've got 8 of these. Now this was my big happy dance. I had 3 of these. After fees, I can make $143, and it had a really good sales rank in its category, so they'll sell relatively fast. So I had 3 of these. So just in these and the little rings and the faucets, I'm well over my $596.37. So just in those 3 items. And if you just scan around and look around, I've got so many other things. I've got outside wall sconces, and I've got a little key rack. So various different items. I've got corner dish soap, ceramic things that go in there. And then I've got these huge things, which are desk lamps, and they're in really good condition. I've got 2 of those, some ceiling fans, a lot of holiday stuff, which you think you wouldn't want to sell now, but I'm going to look them up. And then if they are not good prices right now, I'll stick them on a shelf and then list them in October. But if they are good prices, I don't care. I'll sell them. Holiday lights sell any time of the year. People use them to decorate their decks and outdoor spaces. So I'm definitely going to make my money back on this pallet. It was a great pallet. Not a lot of items, just larger items. And I'm super excited about the profit value in this one. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Make sure you smash that like button. That really helps me out so that I know you enjoy this video, and I'll put more out like this. And again, if you'd love to support me so that I can give you exclusive content and also put out more of these videos so that I don't have to do a lot of extra work behind the scenes, you can support me on my Patreon page for various different levels, all the way from $5 a month to a larger dollar amount. So just go ahead and check that out in the link below. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me and my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.